Ooh! Please don't tell the boss, but we've been trying to figure out which one of us is the sharpest shooter. Who do you think would win in a duel? Excuse me. Bless me. Follow my heart? Thank you, thank you. I think you would win. Oh, you lost. Why did I put my faith into you? This guy's been trying to beat me in a duel for 3 hours now. Little does he know I was the fastest shooter in Cronies Mafia. I can see you're impressed. Excuse me. I'm dying. I'm allergic to flowers. Bonk! Bonk.